Welcome to our YouTube video on Chapter 4, How to Write a Results Section That Stands Out. The results section is a crucial part of your research paper or thesis as it presents the findings of your study. In this video, we will guide you through the process of writing a results section that effectively communicates your research outcomes and captures the attention of your readers. Let's get started. Step 1. Organizing your results. Begin by organizing your results in a logical and coherent manner. Consider the research questions or objectives of your study and arrange your findings accordingly. Use subheadings or subsections to group related findings together. This helps readers navigate through your results and makes it easier for them to understand the key takeaways from your study. Step 2. Presenting your findings. When presenting your findings, use clear and concise language. Start with a brief summary or overview of the main findings to provide context. Then present your results using tables, graphs, or charts, depending on the nature of your data. Visual representations can help readers grasp the key patterns or trends in your findings more easily. Step 3. Supporting your findings with evidence. Ensure that you support your findings with relevant evidence. Include specific examples, quotes, or excerpts from your data to illustrate your points. If applicable, reference statistical analyses or calculations to provide additional support for your results. This demonstrates the rigor of your study and enhances the credibility of your findings. Step 4. Interpretation and analysis. Once you have presented your findings, it's important to provide interpretation and analysis. Discuss the implications of your results and their significance in relation to your research questions or objectives. Explain any unexpected or interesting findings and offer possible explanations or theories. Engage in critical thinking and demonstrate your understanding of the broader implications of your research. Step 5. Addressing limitations and future directions. Acknowledge and address any limitations of your study in the results section. Discuss factors that may have impacted the validity or generalizability of your findings. This demonstrates transparency and a thoughtful approach to your research. Additionally, suggest potential avenues for future research based on the gaps or unanswered questions that emerge from your study. Step 6. Writing style and clarity. Pay attention to your writing style and ensure clarity throughout the results section. Use concise and precise language to communicate your findings effectively. Avoid jargon or technical terms that may confuse readers. Instead, strive for a balance between providing sufficient detail and maintaining accessibility for a wide audience. Writing a results section that stands out requires careful organization, clear presentation of findings, and supporting evidence. By following these steps, you can create a results section that effectively communicates the outcomes of your study and captivates your readers. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to learn how to complete your dissertation in 6 months or less.